The following training video shows you how to assemble Mighty Writer. Assembly of Mighty Writer is very easy. It is delivered in two separate boxes. One contains all the mats and the other all the tiles. Unzip the long red bag and remove the rolled up mat. There are extendable poles already inserted at the top and bottom of the mat. If you are hanging the mat on the wall, you need to extend the top pole at each end by simply twisting the end anti-clockwise to unlock. Extend the pole, then relock by twisting clockwise. Do the same at the other end. The mat can then be hung either using the long cord or the short loops at each end of the pole. There are two short dark blue toolbars and two longer ones. Take the shorter one with the printing on. This is the punctuation and symbol toolbar, and attach it to the right hand edge of the main mat. Take the other short one, the word toolbar, and place on the opposite edge. Then attach the two longer ones, the image toolbars, on the upper edge of the main mat, one below the other. The sentence holder attaches to the lower edge. Take the bag of symbols and place them in the designated areas on the punctuation toolbar on the right. Then place the words on the left-hand toolbar. Some of the short sentence openers can be placed alongside each other to save space. The image tiles are placed on the two toolbars at the top edge. The bag of arrows and blanks can be placed in a small pockets on the storage holder. The bag of arrows and blanks can be placed in the small pockets in the storage holder. Finally, we know wall space is short in classrooms, so Mighty Writer is designed to roll up on the wall and be tied for convenience.